Chapter 10.6. A secant is a line that intersects a circle on exactly 2 points. Looking at line J in this diagram, it intersects circle C at 2 points. Let's call those 2 points A, B. Line AB would be the secant. Segment AB would be a chord. Previously, we spoke about tangents, and tangents intersect a circle on exactly 1 point. The first theorem covers finding the measure of an angle. The measure here for angle 1, we really need to discuss whether or not that's a central angle. In a picture, you can never assume it's a central angle. Previously, we have learned that the measurement of an arc, so the measurement of this arc here, is the same measurement as a central angle. We also looked at inscribed angles. The measurement of an inscribed angle is half the measurement of the arc. In a picture here, this for angle 1 is not an inscribed angle. We cannot assume that the intersection of these two secants is the center, so we have a different formula to look at. The measure of angle 1 is going to be the sum of the measure of arc AB and arc DC, and take 1/2 of that. Looking at problem A, we want to find the measure of this angle here. We're given arc FG, arc EH, so x would equal 1/2 88 plus 76. So x equals 1/2. 88 plus 76 is 164. So x equals 82 degrees. In problem B, we're given arc YX and arc VW. We want to find angle X. But if you notice, angle X is not in this line form like in problem A. So we're going to find first this angle, and we'll call it Y. So Y equals 1/2 96 plus 62, which is 1/2 of 158. So Y equals 79 degrees. Well, angle Y and angle X form a linear pair, so they equal 180 degrees. So to find X, we're going to do 180 minus 79, which would give us 101 degrees. So this angle here for angle X is 101 degrees. Angle Y was 79 degrees. In the next problem, we're asked to find arc JK. We're given arc ML, and we're given the angle here is 60 degrees. Filling in what we know in our formula, we have 60 equals 1/2 x plus 25. To make this problem easier, I'll multiply both sides by 2, so I'll have 120 equals x plus 25. So x will equal 95 degrees. So this arc is 95 degrees. In this problem A, we're given arc BC is 92 degrees, arc AD is 72 degrees. We're asked to find this angle here. Let's call the angle next to it Y. So Y equals 1/2 92 plus 72. Y equals 164 and 1/2. So Y equals 82 degrees. To find x degrees, we do 180 minus 82, which would give us 98. We're given arc NP an arc NQ. We're asked to find this angle. We'll find angle Y to start with. So Y equals 1/2 68 plus 102. Y equals 1/2 of 170. So Y equals 85 degrees. To find X degrees, we do 180 minus 85, which would give us 95. In problem C, we're given the angle but want to find arc TW. So we'll do this problem backwards. 67 equals 1/2 of 30 plus X. Multiply both sides by 2, and we would have 134 equals 30 plus X. So 104 equals X. So the arc TW is 104 degrees. For the next theorem, we want to find angle 1. And angle 1 would be 1/2 of the arc it intercepts, which is arc AB. In problem A, we want to find the measure of QPS, which is the measure of the angle that is formed by the secant RS and the tangent QR. So the arc that this angle intercepts is the arc PTS. So the angle is 1/2 of 250 degrees, which is 125 degrees. We want to find arc BCD. Looking at arc BCD, I do have this angle here, which means that I know that this arc right here would be double that, which is 216 degrees. We have two arcs that form the whole circle. So 360 minus 216 will give me 144 degrees for the measure of arc BCD. I want to find the measure of FGI. I want to find the measure of that angle. So the measure of angle FGI is 1/2 of the measure of the arc it intercepts, which would give us 112.5 degrees. In problem B, I want to find the measure of UVW. Since the measure of this angle is 99 degrees, this arc, WU, would be 198 degrees. 360 minus 198 gives us 162 degrees for this arc, for arc UVW. And that concludes part 1 of chapter 10.6.